I'm meteorologist Herman Cassetti. Weatherman, it's time for Thursday. All right, cold front coming through the Northeast, all the way back through the Midwest and Ohio Valley, right through there. And boy, it get warm and humid out ahead of that front. I was outside, and all of a sudden, like, whoa, warm and humid. Another front's gonna be coming through behind it. And then the west, out in the Rockies and the western part of the country, is going to get really stormy, coming up with severe weather and snow over the higher elevations as well. So some things are going to be happening out there. Probably some tornado activity as we get through the later part of the weekend. Early next week, that's right. The terrible tornadoes are going to return. Tropics, we got Leslie still out there in the Atlantic Ocean, just kind of sitting there, sending swells into the beaches. And then we still got this area of disturbed weather down in the Caribbean. So nothing too exciting going on. You can see Leslie spinning away out here. And let's see here, radar-wise, we'll go to the radar real fast. You can see the band of showers coming through the Northeast here. And then more showers and thunderstorms out here across the plains. And even some snow over the high country this afternoon. Because this is this afternoon. Severe weather-wise, not much today. Tomorrow, heading down into the southern plains. This will be the one or a risk of severe weather, and then we got more of it coming up. Like I said, later part of the weekend, which I show you. Here's the this is the hazards map for next week, and you can see they're outlining areas of severe weather here, but I think the severe weather is going to extend pretty far up and like that. Heavy rain and then snow. Back up through the high plains as well. So a lot of things are going to happen. Winter in the Rockies and springtime in the plains with severe weather. All right. I'm coughing. I was working on a basement this morning and all the dust. Ugh. All righty. Bear with me. I'll get through this. Let's see. Tomorrow, showers and thunderstorms out here in the plain states. Here, some severe weather as well. And the other front that's coming through today is going to kind of go down like that. And we get to Saturday, that front's going to extend across the Ohio Valley, Midwest, Great Lakes with some showers and thunderstorms. Some snow out here in the Rockies out toward Yellowstone Park, those areas. You hikers and folks that are out there, be careful, there's snow coming. And then we get to Sunday, the storm begins to form. It's going to come out of the Rockies, probably be a Cheyenne low when it comes out. Severe weather is going to break out here down toward Amarillo, Lubbock area. Snow up here in the mountains into the high plains. All right. Our other front's going to kind of lay down on Sunday. Okay. Then we get to Monday. More severe weather going on out here through Kansas and Oklahoma and Texas. All right, probably just shy of Oklahoma City and Dallas, at least through evening hours. A lot of warm, humid air coming up, and heavy rains will start to break out. Band heavy rain back to the high plains, and then heavier snows break out. Eventually, it starts to snow pretty good as we get to Tuesday. It's probably going to snow pretty heavily back out here through the Rockies into the high plains. A wet, heavy snow, gusty winds, kind of blizzard look out there. It's just going blah, blah. And a lot of tropical moisture coming north from the Gulf of Mexico. It's just going to feel really humid and warm with showers and thunderstorms scattered about. The problem now is that the jet stream is starting to get, starting to come further south and stronger, but yet you're going to be forcing all this summertime heat and humidity underneath it. So you're going to get a lot more showers and thunderstorms popping up more randomly. And then severe weather from Iowa all the way back down into Texas on Tuesday as well. And I think that's as far as I go. Okay? So that is it. It's going to get stormy next week. Lots of things happening, more details to come. Meteorologist Henry Marcus City.